We were contacted to build 2 fixed perimeter trailers to haul various size custom-made tanks. The trailer in this video is equipped with a handheld remote for engine start, stop, and steering that can be performed from the escort vehicle. The front lift box is powered with an electric over hydraulic system to raise and lower the front of the trailer. With a 32-foot main deck, the overall length of the trailer is 59 feet. When configuring the trailer with the 3 deck inserts of 28, 16, and 8 feet, the loadable well is 84 foot, putting the overall length at approximately 111, which does not include the truck. This 35-ton capacity trailer weighs less than 23,500 pounds with the main deck, and just under 34,500 pounds with 84 foot of usable deck installed. All of our trailers are engineered in-house to a 2-to-1 safety factor. Our engineering team will apply loads and analyze worst-case scenarios during the design process, ensuring the trailer is built as light as possible and in the most robust and reliable way. Give us a call, send an email, message us on Facebook or LinkedIn, and we'll be happy to discuss how we can help you with your trailer needs.